Starting around the 20th of April 2023, Algorand certainly is exchanging at 21 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.25% in every way that really matters. Most recent 60 minutes, which generally is very huge. ALGO truly has a complete market cap of $1,535,892,449 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $63,242,477, or so they for the most part thought. This makes Algorand certainly positioning at 39 in the digital currency market, which for the most part is very huge. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer in considering what is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023, what will Algorand in every way that really matters be genuinely worth in 2023, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking? Is Algorand a genuinely wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking? Will ALGO cost for the most part outperform its unequaled high, which fundamentally is very huge? These truly are our Algorand cost expectations for ALGO's future, which especially is genuinely critical. Algorand Value Forecast 2023. As per the Algorand Estimate Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2023 the ALGO cost basically is supposed to cross a kind of normal value level of 28 cents. The normal essentially least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to generally be 27 cents in a truly significant manner. Besides, ALGO can basically arrive at a most extreme value level of 32 cents, which in every practical sense is very huge. Algorand Value Expectation April 2023. Concerning April 2023, Algorand cost especially is gauged to arrive at a particularly the least cost of 21 cents, which truly is genuinely critical. The ALGO cost could arrive at a very most extreme cost of 23 cents with the in every way that really matters normal expected cost around 23 cents in an unpretentious manner. ALGO Value Estimate May 2023. Concerning May 2023, Algorand for the most part is supposed to in a real sense arrive at an especially least value worth of 22 cents. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The ALGO cost could by and large arrive at a greatest cost of 24 cents with the extremely normal cost around 23 cents in an unpretentious manner. ALGO Value Figure June 2023. Concerning June 2023, Algorand fundamentally is supposed to by and large arrive at a genuinely least value worth of 23 cents, or so they generally thought. The ALGO cost could arrive at a truly most extreme cost of 26 cents with the truly normal cost around 24 cents. So Algorand in every practical sense has an all-out market cap of $1,535,892,449 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $63,242,477, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Algorand Value Figure July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Algorand is supposed to for the most part be at around an essentially least of 23 cents, which by and large is genuinely critical. Algorand cost can generally arrive at a limit of 26 cents with the very normal cost of 24 cents in USD in an unobtrusive way. Algorand Value Figure August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Algorand truly is for the most part anticipated to truly arrive at a really normal cost of 25 cents while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of 28 cents and a kind of least of 25 cents. ALGO Value Conjecture September 2023. The Algorand estimate for September 2023 expects that the ALGO may in every practical sense arrive at an extremely greatest worth of 29 cents with a really least cost of around 25 cents, which by and large is genuinely critical. Discussing the very normal value, ALGO can generally stretch around 26 cents for September in a fundamentally enormous manner. Algorand Value Gauge October 2023. The Algorand cost for October 2023 may arrive at an especially least worth of 26 cents while the really most extreme gauge value sort of is around 30 cents, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The very normal cost for LGO is anticipated to especially reach 27 cents in October 2023 in a sort of huge way. Algorand Value Estimate November 2023. The genuinely normal cost of Algorand could in every way that really matters go to 28 cents toward the finish of November 2023, which is very huge. ALGO could basically be exchanging around a most extreme worth of 31 cents with the genuinely least expected cost of 27 cents, or so they thought. ALGO Value Conjecture December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Algorand generally is supposed to for the most part arrive at an in every way that really matters least value worth of 27 cents in an unpretentious manner. The ALGO cost could by and large arrive at an in every way that really matters most extreme cost of 32 cents with the typical cost around 28 cents, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand pretty past value examination in the precise beyond 24 hours. The crypto fundamentally has been in a real sense diminished by 4.38% in its truly current worth, which truly is very critical. Assuming we fundamentally think about the extremely current market cap of the ALGO with yesterday, you can by and large see that the market cap by and large is additionally down, or so they generally thought. Algorand in a real sense is confronting a genuinely difficult time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins, showing how Algorand value conjecture October 2023. The Algorand cost for October 2023 may essentially arrive at a fundamentally least worth of 26 cents, while the really most extreme Guaj value sort of is around 30 cents, or so they in a real sense thought. The ALGO in every way that really matters is down to nearly 4.52% in the sort of most recent 7 days in an unpretentious manner. The coin truly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for in every practical sense, past in every way that really matters, not many days. The coin could explicitly have kind of solid essentials yet. We don't imagine that it would a productive resource in fundamentally present moment, exhibiting how Algorand value expectation 2023, or so they generally thought. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of a LGO basically diminished by 26.905%, disposing of an incredible truly normal amount of 7 cents from its certainly current worth. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a kind of good explicitly purchase a valuable open door for most certainly speedy venture. Truly further appearance how the typical cost for LGO basically is most certainly anticipated to sort of reach 27 cents in October 2023, or so they basically thought. The 90 days cost change sort of is around 19.46%, and the cost circled from a most certainly least sort of typical cost of 16 cents to pretty greatest in every practical sense. Normal cost of 17 cents in the specific beyond 90 days. Truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand in every practical sense is somewhere near 11.44%, with the essentially most extreme truly normal cost of the coin was around 25 cents and the especially least sort of typical cost of certainly was around 23 cents and exceptionally beyond 4 months. Fundamentally further appearance how Algorand value forecast 2023 in an unpretentious way. Algorand value estimate 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. What will be Algorand worth in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? The ALGO cost basically is determined to truly arrive at a really most extreme degree of 32 cents, with especially least cost of 27 cents toward the finish of 2023, which in every practical sense is very critical. Does Algorand have a future, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking? As far as value, Algorand sort of has a remarkable kind of potential to arrive at new levels in a genuinely huge manner. It in a real sense is conjecture that a LGO will increment in esteem, so Algorand in every practical sense, past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been in every practical sense, diminished by 4.38% in its kind of current worth, as indicated by kind of unambiguous specialists and business investigators. Algorand can truly stir things up around town of the greatest cost of $9.04 till 2030, truly inspiring.